Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the unboxing of my new bag that I just bought online last week. It's the MCM Fursten waist bag. I think that's how you say it, Fursten. I don't know, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I did get it on sale. I love a good sale. I think I paid with the tax $3.57 because last week MCM had a sale where everything was like, not everything, but some stuff was like 40, 50%, 30, so I seen it, I liked it, I bought it, so now here we are. I just got, well no, I didn't just get it, I got it yesterday, but this is what the box looks like. It comes with a thank you envelope, and it has like the receipt. What else is in here? Yeah, just the receipt. Yeah, with the tax, I paid $3.80 for the bag. Hopefully you guys can see it because I do not want y'all to see my address. And so it comes with a nice little thank you envelope. It has MCM on the back of the envelope. It says thank you. Comes with the standard MCM dust bag. And this is a waist bag. I decided to go with the color silver because everybody got like that cognac color when they have an MCM bag, because I have the medium Liz shopper and I have that cognac color. Everybody got that, so I was like, I'm gonna just go with something different. I'm gonna get silver. This is what it looks like. The back has a zipper, a little area to store stuff. Let me set the box down. It looks like in the front. Yeah, the reason why I got this because like sometimes I don't feel like carrying a big bag around, or like I just don't, and I find myself a lot of times carrying my wallet, and sometimes I'll be scared like I'm gonna be out someplace and sit my wallet down. And this was inside the bag. This is like the authenticity card or whatever. Yeah. It's basically tell you how to care for the bag. It has it in different languages. What else? Yeah. I don't need to go through all that to show y'all. It's just a waste of time. I'm saying I just want something I can put around my waist and just go. I don't feel like, some days I just don't want to have a bunch of a big bag with me. I'm sorry, I just don't. And that's the tag. Yeah, I just think this was so different compared to like all the, every time I see somebody with the waist bag, it's the cognac color or it's the black one. So I decided to go with silver to stand, just to be a little different. Right here you can kind of hook your key or whatever you want to hook right there, which I probably will not be doing, but this is just perfect for on the go. You put your keys, your phone, some lip gloss or whatever else, and just go. Like, I'm going to insert a picture or a video show y'all how it looks on around my waist, but yeah, I just think this is so cute. I did get it on sale. I believe this was on sale too, also on Bloomingdale's.com. I'm not sure because y'all know I love Bloomingdale's.com. I love Bloomingdale's in general, but it was on sale. Not that much cheaper. It didn't really make a difference, but I did go with actually the reason why I went with MCM.com is because I live close to an MCM store and I thought I could be able to order it online and go pick it up. But no, I had to wait. They had to send it in the mail. But yeah, this is just so cute. I love it. This is just perfect for everyday use. Got the classic MCM detail on it. Yeah, the strap is adjustable. Okay, I went to grab some stuff because I kind of wanted to show y'all exactly everything that could possibly fit into the bag. So, of course, I'm gonna put my lip gloss, my little coin thing. Well, not my coin, but this is where I keep majority of my cards at. My wallet. Let's see. Okay, when I put my wallet in there, that was kind of like a tight squeeze. My keys. Phone. And let's zip it up. So yeah, I feel like that's just, to me, this is exactly what I need to take on the go. My keys, my phone, my wallet, my little small wallet with my cards, and some lip gloss, and I'm good. And you still have room to put something else in the back. Not, well, yeah, this is kind of deep, so yeah. So, this is so cute. So yeah, just for, like I was saying, it's perfect for on the go, where you just trying to run to like Target or the mall or someplace real quick. You don't feel like carrying no bag. The grocery store. Lord knows I hate having a big bag at the grocery store, so this is perfect. Put this around my waist and I can just go. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what it looks like around my waist. Okay, this is what it would look like if you would want to wear it like a little tighter around your waist or like a little looser. I don't feel like playing around with the straps to adjust it. That's why I don't have it perfectly. Like right now it's just hanging. But yeah, that's how it will look around your waist. And I'm 5'7", so I would want it maybe about right here, I think. Yeah, that's how I would want it, maybe like right here. Okay, y'all, I forgot to mention that this bag is the Fursten waist bag in the size small. I believe they have a bigger one, I'm not sure, but I think for this to be a small bag, it does fit a decent amount of things in it, as you can see. And I didn't put anything back here. I do think this bag comes in the silver, the cognac color, I believe I saw blue, of course black, but yeah, they have a variety of different colors, just in case if this color might not be the color for you. But hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing / review. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.